shipping industry is ripe for disruption and for a dramatic technological upgrade. So it was apparent that shipping containers cannot remain these dumb boxes that just go everywhere. They have to have eyes, ears, a brain, something that would let us, the people who control the container and the cargo owners who have valuable cargo inside these containers, have a way to control it and have some way of understanding what's going on with your cargo once it leaves the factory. So we wanted to put brains on containers. We wanted the containers to have eyes, ears, and a brain. And it just so happened that every container has a standard component called the container vent used for pressure equalization. And it looks like this. So that is a standard thing that goes on every container around the world. Every depot around the world knows how to install it. And the idea was, why not replace this standard part with this, which looks exactly the same, but it has all the electronics that you need in order to make a container smart. Loginno has the competitive advantage that it has right now, which is a hardware device that allows us to get the data that we need for the lowest cost possible. And that is and on top of it all, it's patent protected. Loginno was built from the ground up to convert entire container fleets to smart containers. I mean, that was the focus. It was built for scale. It wasn't built for the odd shipment to make it smart. It was built to really disrupt this market and transform that infrastructure of dumb containers to smart containers, to something that can mine data and distribute it to the rest of the logistics chain. In 10 years, I believe that there will be an understanding that the global fleet of containers has to be smart. And there will be business processes that will be directly affected because of it. We will see green lane in customs that are specific for smart containers. We're going to see indexes of the market that are based on data gathered by smart shipping containers. And we're going to see all these sorts of cool products that you can't even imagine today, like augmented reality on containers and depots, like relying on software certificates for security rather than physical locks on a container. And in 10 years, these things hopefully will be streamlined. Not only commercially available like we're trying to do now, but actually mandated by customs, by Homeland Security, by insurance companies worldwide to truly allow a smart global fleet